you to yellow.
I'm in parlor. If you can make it to me. I'm gonna come down ground room. It's about to hell, I think. Coming down towards courtyard. He's gonna come through the main doors. Molotov? Oh, so close.
You missed! It's okay, he still has one, I still have one. Let's go.
He's library? Nice try, Jess.
So close.
Thank you.
Shut up, Seven.
He's pinched.
Uh-oh.
No!
Uh-oh.
You're our only weapon right now, Jess. Stay alive. Let's go.
Let's go!
Let's go.